Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are announcing the Layer 3 eligibility checker. Their airdrop checker has went live today. Many people are excited, many are sad. There's a lot of interesting things coming out of this airdrop. So I've gone ahead and checked my allocation, but I want to announce it on the channel and also share some of my experience with this and my thoughts going forward, because they did kind of a weird airdrop where they had these 2 seasons and you had to collect cubes and a lot of minimum requirements that were not met by other people who have been using the protocol for 2 years. But they did say before that you needed to meet a certain criteria, and some people didn't meet that. So unfortunately, many people were left with dust. But I'm going to show you what I was able to do with not just my main account, but my secondary profile. So first of all, this isn't going to be a very long video, so thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology. All the fun stuff we get to learn and the cool rewards like this. Layer 0 or Layer 3. Layer 0 was last month. Layer 3 finally their airdrop checker. So remember, this is the official link, eligibility.layer3foundation.org. This is the official Twitter page, and you can go to their Discord and find all the information there as well. So Layer 3 FND or FDN, Layer LAYER, the number 3, and FDN. So once you go to the airdrop checker, which is right here, eligibility.layer3foundation.org, you'll post let's copy your wallet. Now this will be your main wallet profile or your primary wallet. So whatever wallet you use as your primary wallet on Layer 3 will be the one that you use. So here we go to the traffic light and verify. Boom. Now, the thing with this is the referral count. So there's no referral count here, and there's 3 in season 1. So first of all, this is season 1 overview. How many cubes, what level I was at, bridge swap volume, which is weird because it didn't get that is weird, because I definitely had bridge swap volume in the first season, but I also had 13 referrals. So rewards, that's really odd. So I'll have to go back in my videos and look, but 13 referrals in the first one, and in the second one, it doesn't say. But if I go to my refer a friend, it shows that I have 18 referrals. So I'm not sure what the issue is there, but it shows 0 and 3. So that could be another thing. But this is just what, I have the GM streak referral count. Infinity cubes, you needed to collect all 3 infinity cubes. Collect Trident of the World. I had 504 cubes. I got up to level 54. I could have gotten 60 if I would have used the stuff in the shop, the 3x rewards or the 3x XP. I didn't really do a lot of bridging and swapping on here. I should have, though. My GM streak hit 365. Referral count, yes. And I bought the Grow NFT. So I bought that just in case. Now, this is from November 2022. So I started over a year and a half ago and was able to complete, go to my profile, 1,600 quests, 395 streak. Well, probably 300 and pretty much a 395 streak. It was a couple days ago when the snapshot was taken. Invited 18 people. These are all the rewards from quests that I've done. These aren't rewards from referring a friend, but 1,600 quests, 120 of these NFTs, 770 cubes, and level 54. So that is what I was able to do since November 2022. Now, this is from my secondary account. This is so this one's a blockchain report, and this one is I have another moniker called the Hatter, the One Hatter. So in my alter ego, I achieved Level 32. Oh, no, that's that. So I started this in February of this year. So February, March, April, May, June, July. So 6 months. I don't know how active I was the first month, or maybe, yeah, but I know that I was able to complete, and this is in 6 months with my secondary account. So 160 cubes, season 1, level 14, bridge swap volume, nothing, 14 GM streak, and 0 referral. Now, season 2 is where I really hit it. Did the infinity cubes, got the trident, 436 cubes, hit level 32, almost close to doubling. Oh no, I did double, more than doubled. Bridge swap volume, $23, 75 GM streak. Didn't get the grow NFT on here, but that's what I ended up with. And I didn't get any referral points on here. This one was just strictly my personal non-YouTube account. So I know a lot of people were frustrated and everything, but I don't know. I know that there are some issues, technical issues on the back end that need to be resolved, because some of this stuff isn't showing up properly, like the referral counts on my main profile. The referral count, it says I had 13 on the first one, so I'm not sure if that'll really move the needle any as far as more allocation, but pretty much 20K right here and then 7,300 on here. So besides the Manta one, this is probably the biggest airdrop that I've gotten as far as token size goes. I mean, I've gotten like meme coins that are 1 million tokens, but as far as a legitimate project goes, like a heavily backed project, it's pretty wild. And this one took a lot of work, a lot of time, and I covered everything on here, every single thing on here, and then some has been covered on my YouTube channel. So if you've been following along, or at least been active, because they're really rewarding people who were super active and consistent, because I saw other influencers in the space who they weren't as active and they got peanuts. But even for 6 months worth of work, just grinding daily. And some days I didn't have a quest to do, so I just hit the GM streak and kept going. But this is what I was able to do with 2 accounts. And I don't always use 2 accounts for everything, but this was one I wanted to kind of test and see how one wallet that's super active versus another wallet that just came in late in the game. So it's kind of a good gauge on what it took to get these kind of allocations. This one I started this year, and this one I started 2 years ago, almost. So it's kind of it's just an interesting kind of metrics for their airdrop. But one thing I have to say about this is don't worry about connecting wallets or anything. You're not gonna do that. Just paste your wallet in there. Don't connect yet. But I will say, the Layer 3 did an amazing job with being able to remove wallets that have been hacked and people can't get access to their funds, because you have up to 15 slots for wallets, and you can connect all different types of wallets, from Ethereum, EVM wallets, to Cosmos, to Solana, to Bitcoin. Now, your primary wallet, the default wallet, is the one that you will be connecting to here. And this is so crucial, because if you have a wallet that's hacked and you can't get your funds off, and you have a whole Layer 3 profile with that wallet, you can set a new default wallet, and like here, you can set this as a primary and save it, and then you can go here and remove that wallet, and then you can claim with this. So you can go in here and claim that with a different wallet. So it's based on your profile and not necessarily the wallet that you have linked. So whatever the default wallet is will be the one that you have to check over here, the airdrop checker. So my hacked wallet, I have a bunch of stuff that, I mean, it's pretty much, it's just about everything in my Layer 3 profile. Like 90% of all of this was done with my hacked wallet, but yet I'm able to come in and claim with my backup wallet. So Layer 3, you are amazing for creating ways for people to still get their value out of, or still get their contributions for providing their value. So just I know some of you might be upset, but just keep putting in the work. Not every airdrop's gonna hit. Some of them have weird metrics, and if you're not consistent, then they're not going to reward you as much. So it's very important that these airdrops, you have a daily checklist of things that you go through, and make sure you do them as consistently as you can. If you can't do them every day, do them 5 days a week. It's important to put in the work if you want to get these results. And I put in work on plenty of airdrops that came up with shit, like nothing. And yeah, it's frustrating. It is so frustrating when that happens. But we just got to keep working, keep going on to the next one, grinding, trying to hit these marks, whatever we think the metrics are going to be or requirements are going to be. Like these, you got to hit them. You got to hit them. And I am doing my best to bring you all of this information and more in an easy way, to showing you the easy way to navigate this whole space and breaking it down for you so it's easy to understand and it's fun. And that way we can make sure we all get rewarded for stuff like this. I know it's been a long, hard road, and we just the light at the end of the tunnel. The bull run is coming, and we will be pretty happy. But I appreciate you all so much. It is late here. I had to drop my brother off at the airport, so it's almost midnight. But I wanted to get this to you all. And yeah, thank you so much for being part of this journey. I appreciate you all. Till the next one, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day or night. Peace out, homies.